Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Our question is 8 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 36. So it is an exponential problem. Now we have to find the value of x here, but remember that x will be element of a real number. So we just find those solution of x in which x is real. So now starting our solution here, that 8 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 36. Here this 8 can be written as, this 8 is actually here, it is 2 cubed, and this 4 is 2 squared. So here we have 2 cubed whole to the power x and plus 2 squared whole to the power x is equal to 36. Now our next step is 2 to the power, here we just exchange these exponents. So 2 to the power x whole cube plus 2 to the power x whole squared is equal to 36. Now we see that 2x here, it is common in both expressions, so we are going to just let 2 to the power x is equal to y. Now substituting this value here in our problem, so it will be 2x cubed, which is y cubed, plus y squared, and shifting this 36 we get minus 36, that is equal to 0. Now if we write y cubed plus y squared, this 36 can be written as minus 36 will be equal to minus 27 minus 9, which is equal to 0. So minus 27 is perfect cubed of 3, so 9 is actually perfect squared of 3. That's why we just write minus 27 and minus 9, we just factorize this 36. So here y cubed plus minus 27, here minus 27 and plus y squared minus 9 is equal to 0. Now this y cubed minus 27 is 3 cubed, just making this one pair, and plus here we have y squared, and 9 can be written as 3 squared, it is our second pair. Now using algebraic formulas here, as we know that if we have that a cubed minus b cubed, it will be equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. Similarly, we have another interesting formula, that is a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So using both these formulas in our problem, so we have y cubed minus 3 cubed will be y minus 3 times y squared plus 3 times y, and plus 3 squared is equal to 9. Similarly, plus here we have y squared minus 3 squared is y plus 3 times y minus 3, that is equal to 0. So here y minus 3 and it is y minus 3, and this expression is common here, so taking y minus 3 is common, then we have y squared plus 3 times y plus 9, so plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here y minus 3 times y squared plus 3y plus y will be plus 4y, and here 9 plus 3 is 12, that is equal to 0. Now our next step will be, now here we have two possible cases, that y minus 3 is equal to 0, and other one is y squared plus 4 times y plus 12 is equal to 0. So here we have y is equal to minus 3 will be plus 3, so value of y will be plus 3 here. Now if we just solve this one, then as we know that we just suppose that 2 to the power x is equal to y. So by comparison, here we have 2 to the power x is equal to 3, Now taking log on both hand side, so log 2 to the power x is equal to log 3. Here using logarithm powers law, then we have here x log 2 is equal to log 3. So by dividing log 2 on both hand side, we will get cancelling log 2 with 2. So x will be using logarithm law that log a over log b will be log a to base b. So log 3 to base 2. It is the value of x, and we see that it is our real value, so it is our real solution. Now we are going to solve our second case here, that is y squared plus 4y plus 12. So first of all, we just find the determinant here, that is b squared minus 4 times a times c. So here we have the determinant is equal to, as here the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 12. So we have determinant equal to b squared, which is 4 squared, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 12. Then determinant will be 4 squared is equal to 16 minus 12 times 4 is 48. Here we get determinant is equal to minus 32. But we see that minus 32 is actually, it is less than 0. It is less than 0. So here our solution will be complex. Here we get complex solution. So no real solution here. No real solution. But in given problem, we see that here the value of x should be real. So that's why it is complex. We are going to just reject it, this case here. So it is rejected. Now here we just consider this value of x, which is real value. So it is our final answer, but we have to verify our result here. So for verification, we just recall our problem. A to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 36. Now putting value of x, then we have a to the power log 3 to base 2 plus 4 to the power log 3 to base 2, that is equal to 36. So now this 8 can be written as 2 cubed log 3 to base 2, and 4 is 2 squared log 3 to base 2, that is 36. Now here 2 to the power, this 3 can be shifted here, so we just write log 3 cubed with base 2. Similarly 2 to the power log 3 squared with base 2, that is 36. Now our next step will be here by using logarithm law, as we know that if we have a to the power log b to base a, then it will be equal to b. So applying this formula here, then it is our a and it is our b, so 3 cubed plus here we get 3 squared, that is 36, and 3 cubed is equal to 27 plus 3 squared is 9, that is 36. So 27 plus 9 is equal to 36. So 36 is equal to 36, hence we prove that our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So hence our final valid answer is x is equal to log 3 to base 2. It is our final answer. So now we are going to just check our entire solution here step by step. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.